students, how are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English chapter number 13, the outtake. Suzanne was a shy but clever girl. She couldn't see too well and had worn glasses for as long as she could remember. And again, for as long as she could remember, some of her classmates had habitually picked on her and made fun of her big glasses. The worst thing was that Lewis had started calling her Four Eyes, and as he was a very popular student of the class, the nickname stuck. Now everyone knew her as a Susie Four Eyes. She acted like she didn't mind, but in fact, Suzanne couldn't stand it. One day, the class went on a school outing to visit some famous caves, and the children were walking towards the caves when Lewis put his foot in a bowl and slipped. While falling, he dragged on Suzanne, who was walking next to him, and both plumped down the hole out of sight. So after some time, they landed in a very big dark cave. All that could be seen was a single ray of light coming from the cave roof many meters above, and some tree roots and trunks which had fallen through the hole. Susanna and Lewis shouted for help, but no one came. They spent a long dark night in the cave. The next morning, they still hadn't been found, and without the small ray of light from above, they wouldn't have been able to see anything at all. Lewis continued shouting for help while he used the mere light to look for a way out, but after hours of searching and scrambling, he had found nothing and started feeling scared. It must have been noon time because Susanna noticed that the ray of light was descending from the hole in a straight line and landing on the floor in front of her. Quickly, she took a piece of wood that had fallen into the cave, and using her glasses as a magnifying glass, she focused the ray of light onto the wood until a little flame sprang up. Okay, now they had a torch. Lewis watched all this with surprise and excitement. He grabbed some more branches and off they went together to explore the cave. It took them some time and they have to burn quite a few torches, but finally they found a way out. है ना? Finally उन्हें बाहर जाने का रास्ता जो है मिल गया था. Amid hugs and cries of relief, Lewis gave Susanna his heartfelt thanks. He knew that she couldn't stand people calling her Four Eyes, and now he regretted having given her that name, especially seeing that it was her glasses that had saved them both. When they met up with the search party, Susanna and Lewis were faced with a barrage of questions, some even from the police and journalists. Lewis came forward and said, "What a stroke of luck I had. I could not have been with a better fellow and adventurer than Laser Light Susie." So Lewis told everyone what had happened, and from that day, there was no longer any Four Eyes at their school. But don't ask how many Laser Light kids there are, because there are really quite a few. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understand for chapter. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you, everyone.